Let us see a small trick about since, as and because. Since, as, because. What do they mean? Can anybody identify? Can anybody say that? What do they identify? What do they mean by since, because, as? We use these things in order to say some reason. I am absent since I am not feeling well. She was absent because she was suffering from fever. As she was suffering from fever, she didn't attend the class. Understand? So they indicate reasons so that these conventions are subordinate conventions introduces one kind of adverbial class, that is adverbial class of reason. Adverbial class of reason. Okay. So there are actually 9 kinds of adverbial clauses are there. One I tell you, because that will be useful in 10th class. Wherever you go to combine the sentence, and not only for that, if you write any civils examination, these questions will be there. Or any group 2, or any banking exam, or any SSC, Staff Selection Commission, who works under bureau, central bureau, these questions will be there. Okay, na? Adverbial clauses and everything. And if you open CBSE book, the first chapter itself about clauses only, especially adverbial clauses and adjectival clauses and all. Right? See this, since, because, as, they indicate reason, so that we call it adverbial clause of reason. Adverbial clause of reason. And one more thing you should remember, that since as well as should be used in the beginning of the sentence. Beginning of the sentence. We should not use in the middle. Since gani, as gani, starting lone vadukovalandi, madhyalo vaadakoodu. Beginning lo vaadali, madhyalo ante middle lo untayi kada, anni sentences untayi kada. Middle lo aithe vaadakoodu, starting lone vadukovalannamata. Okay? I'll tell you one example and I will use these 3, you can understand it. See that she was so fat. She was so fat. The rickshaw puller was unable to take her. The rickshaw puller was unable to take her or unable to pull her. Understand the question? Unable to take her. So this is the question for this. See this? She was so fat. The rickshaw puller was unable to take care of her. And why the rickshaw puller was unable to take care? If you question with why, as it is a reason, you get this answer. Where you get the answer, there we have to add a since, because as. See this? Since she was so fat, the rickshaw puller was unable to take her. Since she was so fat, the rickshaw puller was unable to take her. In this place, we can also use as she was so fat, the rickshaw puller was unable to take her. Okay, so she was the rickshaw puller was unable to take her because she was so fat. Because must be used in the middle. As and since must be used at the starting. So many people mistake here. They use since, as and everything in the middle. You should not use like that. As and since always at the beginning only. That's a rule. That looks awkward if you are using in the middle, and you won't get marked either. Okay, so that rule should be followed. I think in the recent examination also, some people wrote like that and they cut off the mark. You remember? Yes, sir. Right. So in this way we have to do it, and we can make many a kind of example. As I am not feeling well, I did not come. As I am rich, I got a car. As I am poor, I was unable to buy a car. Okay. As I am the princess of so and so family, I move like anything. And as I am so and so, since I was so and so, since, as and because always indicate reason. Always indicate reason. I hope you have understood. Okay. So this is about since, as, because, how to combine this sentence. Right? Thank you.